UARmeyskoye in Zaporozhye region, Nikolskoye in Donetsk People's Republic, and Shipilovka in Lugansk People's Republic. The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. Air defense forces have intercepted 4 projectiles of HIMARS MLRS, as well as 5 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles near Novaya Kakhovka, Nikolayevka in Kherson region, Chervonoarmeyskoye in Zaporozhye region, Nikolskoye in Donetsk People's Republic, and Shipilovka in Lugansk People's Republic. In total, 398 airplanes, 217 helicopters, 3,361 unmanned aerial vehicles, 410 air defense missile systems, 8,222 tanks and other armored fighting vehicles, 1,055 fighting vehicles equipped with MLRS, 4,300 field artillery cannons and mortars, as well as 8,798 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.
Terima kasih sudah nonton, jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya!